Muscle car corner here, brand new, beautiful. 65, factory stage 3, 289 Cobra, DragonSnake. Wow, that's all I can say. This thing's a cool drink of water here, boy. Take her all in. Let's take a look at this vehicle. 65, stage 3, might go for 1.7 million. 1 out of 5, factory built 289 Cobra drag snakes. I don't know the history on these. They were drag cars. They were super cool. They had the later ones had the 427s in them, but this whole thing will honk on it, I guarantee you. Unbelievable restoration on this car. Love that steering wheel. Love the original gauges. You can see the patina on the white. It's yellowed a little bit, showing original gauges. Look at those slicks, old cheese slicks. I really like this car, it's phenomenal. Look at that, the original dealer insignia. That's amazing.
It's one of the cars that sort of stands out in the collection. It's a 1968 Shelby GT500. And really, it's a rare car, you can tell us why. It's also one of the few cars that's kind of...
Carrol Shelby hit out of the park. You need to look into the history on these cars and where they ran. Apparently this one was from PA. So, wow. Man, Carrol Shelby was a genius. Everything he touched was gold. Muscle Car Corner signing out an amazing Ford product. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I sure appreciate y'all.